Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export only a part of your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video here. Just waiting for it to load. And for instance, I want to start the video here, so I'm just going to split it here. And I want to end it here. I only want to export this part. So right click and you're going to select range, select an area by clip. Then you're just going to export it. And it's only going to export that part of the video only. You'll see later once it's done exporting. As you can see, only that part got exported by CapCut. That is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!